Hello and welcome to Rapido, and I have here for you the Rapido 606F, 81,500 euros it cost. It's 668 centimeters long. Oh no, I got that wrong. It's 669 centimeters long. Sorry. And let's have a look inside. What this vehicle offers is, first of all, an absolutely enormous lounge. 600 and whatever it was, 89, so what, 670 centimeters long. And at the back we've got this enormous washroom, dressing room at the back. Look at all of this space back here. And wardrobe. This is great for the full-timer who needs an enormous wardrobe, such as me. Somebody who's elegant and suave and sophisticated, such as myself, would need an enormous wardrobe such as this for all my dinner jackets and the likes. We have also this thing here, which will slide along like that as well, and you've got access to more storage there. And also, if that weren't enough, you've got storage in the mirror. It's incredible amount of storage in such a small space as this. Isn't that brilliant? Oh, I'll show you the shower as well. And I'm going to stand here because I'll show you myself in the shower. Look at all this space we've got in the shower. Oh, I like this. This is really good. Now, how is this achieved? Well, we've got the bed is in the roof, and I'm going to show you now. Now we've got one. Let's start with look at some of the negative things. The floor's not flat. If it were flat, there would be next to no space under that bed. So what would be the answer to that is to make the walls high, but for maybe it's engineering or stability or other reasons why that can't actually be done. So I do like a double floor, but in this case I'm not getting one. I see the problem with the door. Right, okay, well the door's broken already, and I think this probably came in like that. Kitchen sink, 2 burners. We've got storage below as well. Oh, that looks pretty good as well. No, I don't think that is it. Oh, sorry. This one's... Oh, there you go. It works eventually. Yeah, I think that looks okay. I thought it was quite reasonable. Oh, this is... Oh, dear. Oh, and I come in here saying all these nice things about it. Think, oh, I like this layout. Now, if the door doesn't work, I can't get these things to open. That shouldn't happen. I mean, this, today's the professional days. The public haven't even been in yet to break everything. The only person been here to smash anything up has been me. Anyway, right. So I can't get the door to close, but I'll use my foot to hold it in position. And there's the fridge and the freezer. And I've noticed with these push-pull things, though, it's often this is the position. I prefer to get something a bit more how should I put it, a bit more traditional way of opening things. It's not just Rapido though, we've got these problems. Now we've got the bed up here, and now we have something a bit odd. To bring the bed down, I need a key. So you press this, the bed comes down electrically. But I don't have the key, so I can't show it to you. On the other hand, the table, which is down there, will move up and down because we've got this, and for that we don't need a key. So if I press this here like that to make it go up, you see, and there's the table coming up. Now this telescopic thing, there's a number of companies actually put these telescopic tables in them. But what this does offer is all of this space which is here, and wow, it is, from that point of view, I think it's quite good. Now I'll open up the table, show you how big it is, That's pretty large. Of course, to get to open, you need to bring out this here, which is the support for it, which will come out. Now, how much space is there under the bed? There's me, and that's the amount of space, 190 centimeters approximately under the bed. I think that's okay for me. One thing I do notice though is it does appear to be a bit dark. Maybe it's just the way in here at the moment. Maybe it isn't as dark. Maybe it's me. Right. Good. So we'll sit down here and have a look down the van. Right, what do I like about it? I think that at the back, that's outstanding. It really is fantastic. If you're going to be living in a van any length of time, that is absolutely ideal. I'm just saying we haven't even seen through to the garage either. I'll do that in a moment. On the negative side, you can see some of these fittings. Can't close the door. I had difficulty getting that open. Okay, I do appreciate that it's a trade fair, things get broken, but there hasn't been a chance for this to get broken yet. There's nothing I don't really like, actually, and you can see that up there, that bit there, that headrest. That is because under the chair there's a forward-facing chair, so you've got to have these forward-facing chairs to move in the direction of travel. I think that's a legal requirement. I don't actually know, but you can see, for example, down here is that this comes up, as you can see, and you sit there because there'll be a chair under here which points in this direction. To me, it's a bit of a waste of space, but then again, if that's what the Lord says, you've got to be travelling in the direction of travel, then that's the way it is. Of course, you could have it there changed maybe for seating just 2 people. I like the size of the table. I think that's great. Obviously, if it were forward-facing bench, then you couldn't actually have it. But I think, okay, at this price level, I would like to see a double floor, and a double floor isn't really practical because of the bed being up there. Now, I don't like the idea of having to use keys for get the bed to come down. These keys break very easily, and they're not all that easy to actually find. Although I've been told they are in the catalogues. Maybe they are now, but when I looked, I couldn't find them. Let's have a look through here. Maybe they are now. I must point out, I haven't looked recently. They are into the garage. How much space is there in the garage? Well, you can't see because it's all dark, but there's quite a lot of space in there. So, if I could have the rear end of this vehicle with all this fantastic storage, and 1 or 2 of the features, the front end, that would be great. But the problem for me is some of these quality things. Oh, what a pity. Anyway, I'll just show you this now whilst I'm here. You see, this is the Rapido press conference, and they're telling about the new stuff that they've got and other things. So there you go, Rapido press conference now. So thanks very much for being here with me today. I hope you found that interesting, and there you go. So this unusual Rapido vehicle, and on a Peugeot base. Bye for now.